Hello, myself Dr. A.P. Gupta in the Department of Pathology and Microbiology. Today I will discuss about the general microbiology, and we must have knowledge of what we are going to study in our class. This is the very first lecture of mine, so I will discuss about the topics under which we study the general microbiology. We will study this general microbiology under the points. One will be the history, in which we study about the scientists. Second will be the microscopy, in which we study about the microscope, types of microscope and their parts and their uses. And third one is staining. Staining is the process by which stain the slides that is used under the microscope. And next one is bacterial anatomy, under which we study the different type of bacteria and their classifications. And we will discuss in next lectures in detail. Next, fifth one is growth curve. When we study about the bacteria, then we study about how their growth occurs. Sixth, we will study about the culture media and methods, because we have talked about the bacteria and their growth, and for their growth we need culture media, and different mediums are used like liquid media and solid media. Next will be the sterilization and disinfection. This is a very important process or method by which we done in our pathology laboratories, microbiology laboratories, especially hospitals, and as well as at our homes also. And next we will be study about the bacterial genetics. इनमें इस टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे कि भाई बैक्टीरिया के जीन्स क्या होते हैं और उनकी जेनेटिक्स कैसे चलता है. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट इन जनरल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी we will study about the immunity. And immunity is also in detail we study in pathology. What in microbiology we also study about the immunity. And this topic is very burning topic in this scenario, in this COVID scenario. If we have low immunity, then there are chances of COVID-19 infection. If our immunity is strong, then there is no chance of infection. And you have heard about herd immunity, and that point will be discussed in next lecture. So I will start history. Today we will study about the history, especially of general microbiology. There are different scientists who have worked in or development of microbiology. The first we will discuss about Louis Pasteur. Louis, Louis Pasteur, Pasteur. The spelling is very must and correct. So Louis Pasteur was a scientist who discovered first microbiology, and he is also known as father of microbiology. First of all, he gave the pasteurization of milk by the name of Pasteur. The name is pasteurization of milk. Pasteurization of milk. Second, after the name of there is an institute that is known as Pasteur Institute at Paris. Pasteur Institute at Paris. These are the two things under the name of Pasteur. Number one, pasteurization of milk, and second is Pasteur Institute at Paris, in which we study about the microbiology. Next, he gave the liquid media. As I have talked earlier in culture, media and methods, so he was the man who gave us culture liquid media. And it is very important for the growth of bacteria. And next, he is known as I have earlier told you, that he is known as father of microbiology. Okay? Because he is known as father of microbiology, so he gave so many things to us, like germ theory. He was the first man who gave us the germ theory. Germ theory. Because he gave germ theory, and besides this, he disapproved the abiogenesis theory. He was the man who disapproved the abiogenesis theory. So these are the things which are very important for the Louis Pasteur. One is pasteurization of milk. Second, there is a institute after the name of Pasteur, that is known as Pasteur Institute at Paris, and he gave us the liquid media that is meant for culture, and he is known as father of microbiology, and this thing must be kept in mind. Next, because he is known as father of microbiology, so he gave us the germ theory, and he disapproves the abiogenesis theory. Okay? He also gave autoclaves, hot air oven, these are important for sterilization and disinfection. So these are the few things, those which are given by Louis Pasteur. Now I will discuss about the Robert Koch. Next scientist is Robert Koch. Robert Koch is also known as father of modern microbiology. Louis Pasteur was the father of microbiology, and Robert Koch is known as Okay. He was a great scientist who gave us the Koch phenomena. Koch phenomena and Koch postulate. Postulates. And besides this, there is a phenomena that is also known as Koch phenomena. Phenomenon. Okay, I forgot under the name of Louis Pasteur, he gave us 3 bacteria. One is cholera bacteria, second is cholera. Was about the Louis Pasteur, cholera, anthrax, and rabies. These was founded by Louis Pasteur. I forget at that time, but I recall these things. Today I will discuss Robert Koch, and in next lecture I will talk about the postulates in detail. So thank you.